Now I am going to show how to prepare the raw vegetable juice. Now for raw vegetable juice, I am saying that B3 and C4 for easily remembering that ingredients which is going to be used for raw vegetable juice. B3 means, B means beetroot, and another B means bottle gourd, this one. Another B means beetle vine. Beetle vine, it doesn't require any leaching and all. So this is a beetle vine. 1 or 2 leaves for one portion. One portion means 200 ml. For 200 ml, we have to use these vegetables around 250 to 260 grams. It's a beetle vine. And now 1 or 2 leaves has to be used for one portion. One portion means 200 ml. So for all other vegetables has to be put equal quantity. One is, I told you, B3, I explained. Now C4. C means carrot. And another C means cucumber. And another C means coriandrum. Coriandrum leaves or celery leaves, whatever it is available. Another C is a cabbage. And for taste, we have to add any one fruit, whether apple or pineapple or whatever the fruit we wish. So apple I am adding in this raw vegetable juice. Now, before preparation of this raw vegetable juice, I would like to tell about the importance. If the person consumes this raw vegetable juice, 1 glass or 2 glass, within a month, whatever the abnormality in the cholesterol level or else in triglyceride, it will going to become normal. Such a way it is helpful for blood thinning. Secondly, it nourishes both beneficial microbes in the gut system and also it will nourish us to the body. So it's a very, very important diet in our routine food. What I want to say is,